Yo, YouTube, man, I'm back. Y'all can see this Zern retrofit sensor flush valve. I'm about to install this bad boy. As y'all can see, man, the toilet is currently not flushing, so I had to get called out here to, do this easy job. So I gotta turn the water off, always to the right. Always. Not left, to the right. Now I'm just unscrewing this, taking it off the old one that's broken. Zoop, zoop. Take that bad boy off. Put four batteries in. As y'all can see. Tighten that thing up. See what I'm saying? Now just tighten it up again and put it on. Easy bread. Easy.